Once upon a time, in a peaceful village surrounded by green hills, there lived a poor but honest woodcutter named Hari. Every day, Hari would wake up early, take his old wooden cart, and go into the forest to gather firewood. This cart, though worn and patched in many places, had been his companion for many years. It groaned and creaked, but it still worked, just barely. One day, as Hari returned from the forest with a heavy load of wood, one of the wheels of the cart broke off. The cart tipped over, spilling the logs across the dusty road. Hari sat beside the broken cart, tired and discouraged. He looked up at the sky and sighed. Maybe it's time to give up. This cart is too old. I can't keep fixing it forever. A few villagers passed by and saw Hari sitting hopelessly. One of them said, "You should throw that cart away. It's useless now." Another added, "You're not young anymore, Hari. Maybe it's time to stop working." Hari nodded silently, but deep down, something didn't feel right. That night, as he sat by the fire, he looked at the broken wheel resting against the wall. "Maybe it's not the cart that needs to change," he whispered. "Maybe it's how I see it." The next morning, instead of throwing the cart away, Hari began working. He searched the village for old wooden planks, used discarded metal pieces, and slowly crafted a new wheel himself. It took him 3 days. When he was done, the cart looked stranger than before. Mismatched wheels, uneven boards, but it stood firm. The villagers laughed when they saw it. "That thing looks like it's made of scraps," they chuckled. But Hari didn't mind. He smiled and said, "Scraps or not, it works." And it did. The cart, though odd-looking, carried more weight than before. Hari could gather and deliver more firewood than ever. In time, people began to admire his determination. One boy even asked, "Uncle Hari, can you teach me how to fix things like that?" Hari looked at his cart and then at the boy. "Remember," he said, "it's not about how perfect something looks. It's about how much you're willing to make it work." Moral of the story: tough times test us, but they also give us a chance to rebuild ourselves. Like Hari and his cart, we may not always have perfect tools, resources, or support, but with creativity and persistence, we can still move forward. Believe in your ability to fix what's broken. Don't throw something away just because others can't see its value. Sometimes the most powerful solutions are the ones we build ourselves, piece by piece. If this story touched you, don't forget to share it. I'll be back with another one soon. Until then, be patient, be kind, and keep moving forward in life.